Raj here from Trading College, and I'm just going to show you a real quick video about how I made some serious money on this trade. I put about £300 risk in. I'm well over that at the moment, so I'm just going to show you literally what happened. So it's Procter & Gamble. You can see here I've got my Wall Street list of shares, grouped them quickly by percentage change. Procter & Gamble are at the top today in the Dow Jones and in this list of top performers. Super simple and easy trade because look, daily we're green going up. Hourly, we're green going up, Storyteller and PTS on both of them. The quick and interesting thing is that's happened here, and I'll show you how really the risk works and how really the trade kicked in. I'm just going to zoom in on this. As soon as it turned from red to green, if we look down here, that's 26 points of a stop loss. Okay, so what I did was I divided that, and I'm just going to look on my other screen now to get you the calculation of what that would be. I divided my £300 by my 26 point stop loss, and that gives me £11.50 a point. Okay, then for example it goes up and it hits 86 profit. I mean, I came out before then, I'm not going to tell any fibs here, I came out at plus 52 for 2 to 1. Yeah, and that gives me £600 from a £300 stop loss there. Yep, up to this low here, and I'm just going to put a little square on it so you know exactly where it is. That stop loss there, just off the color change here. The trade was entered on this candle right there, and then we stopped at 52 points, which was roughly in this area here. So a quick 2 to 1 trade, but the whole point is it's going, and I could have stayed in it, but I didn't. I wanted my money. Is the fact that it came off the daily being green, the hourly being green, and then the change of color on the 5-minute chart back into that. So I just wanted to show you and really pinpoint about how I made this £600, and also the time frame as well from when this candle closed. Look at this, that only took me 25 minutes. You know, £600 in 25 minutes. Who's going to argue with that? I'll speak to you soon.